Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're all well and good. I just wanted to share my thoughts around what I think will happen in the next couple of hours when the market open. Um, Again, before we start, I'd like to be clear that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an everyday person trying to learn the market and trying to sort of make heads or tail out of it, whichever way you think. So let's do this. So my overall bias for this week is to be bearish, mainly because the market is overall in a bearish trend, as you can see. So that's why I'm going bearish, hopefully. But if that changes, then I'm flexible enough to look for another position or go in the other direction, or hopefully completely stay out of the market. So I follow someone by the name of Trader Evolve. He's on YouTube and he seems to be doing well. I don't know. I mean, I can't verify his results, but based on what this Trader Evolve guy shows on his channel, it seems to be legitimate. But I can't verify it. Well, I'm only going by what I've seen, and hopefully he's telling the truth. He seems like a genuine guy, and the way he trades, he marks up what he calls areas of interest. From the way I understand it, this is based on order flow and things like that. He seems to have been able to work out how to mark this order flow on his chart. I may be completely wrong, but this is where I understand it. So explaining it the way I understand it. So, so what we have here is an area of interest in which, from what I understand, this is the area in which where price can either, if price breaks that area of interest, we should go in the direction of that break. So if price breaks this area here, if price breaks this line, then we should continue going long. So that's where I understand it. But what you're looking to do is to wait for price to hit this 50% area, and once prices hit the 50% area, you should see a downward movement. But if it breaks that into the upside, then you should go long. Um, so this area here is called, let me mark this. So this line here is called area of interest, and this is on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. Let me lift this up a little bit. Area of interest. And what you've then got here is balance. Again, an area of balance is where there is no clear winner in terms of between the between the bulls and the bear. No one has a clear advantage over the other, which means this area here. So you see, it's going up and it's gone down. So there's no clear advantage between any of the between the bears and bull. And then you then have this area of imbalance here, and this is the area of imbalance, in which case the bears have completely taken over. So this area of imbalance area here, the bears have completely taken over. So that's on the 4 hour time frame. So if I move down to 1 hour time frame, I'll be looking for to do similar markings if I can find one. So again, we've already marked this, so there's no need to mark it again. So we can leave that as it is. We can leave that as it is. See, there's nothing of that nature anymore. So I'll go down to 30 minutes time frame, see if there's anything. Again, there isn't anything. We've already marked this area. We'll leave it as it is. There might be one here, but let me mark it. It's already been touched, so I'll mark that. And then again, just put this again, this area of balance here. Again, those are areas to watch for, but it's is miles away from where prices currently is. So if price was to shoot up all the way here, that will be an area that I'll be looking at. There's one more here on the 30 minutes time frame. So I'll mark this again. So area of interest in the 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame. I'll leave that there. And then this area here is an area of balance where there is no clear winner between the bulls and the bear. So balance, I'll write that down here. Area of balance, okay, on the 30 minutes time frame. So balance. And then what you then have here is an area, there's a small area of imbalance here. A small area of imbalance. This is on the 30 minutes time frame. So area of imbalance. Area of imbalance. Area of imbalance in the 30 minutes time frame. So that's this area here. Look further down, see if there's anything else I can see. There's one here as well, but there's also a micro double top. So if I mark this, so actually let me see. Right. So micro double top. It's a micro double top here. It's a micro double top. And also we've got a bit of resistance here and here. So this is also an area of resistance to watch out for. Okay, that's on 30 minutes time frame. And on the 15 minutes time frame, again, you see the prominence of this area here as a zone of resistance right there. Okay, and then again, this has already been tested, so we'll leave it out. I'm not going to touch that. It's already been tested, and that's on the 15 minutes time frame. There's nothing here that's interesting, but let me just mark it out. Okay, again, there's another area of interest here. Okay, an area of imbalance. Okay, I'll leave that there. An area of imbalance. Okay, it's on the 15 minutes. Let's go down to the 5 minutes. And the 5 minutes, that's already been marked. I think there's one down here. So enlarge this a little bit. Okay, and the 5 minutes, what's clear to me here is that you have a zone of resistance here as well. So this area here is a zone of resistance, or let me just mark it resistance zone. Resistance zone. On 5 minutes. Right there. It's a resistance zone on the 5 minutes here. That's an area to watch out for, because prices hit this 1, 2, 3, 4. So if price hits this again, it's something just to watch out for, just in case. But for the time being, it's just a zone. So again, here there's an area of interest here. Boom. On the 5 minutes time frame. area of interest on 5 minutes time frame, just right there. And there's also an area of imbalance here. That area is being tested. Sorry, I do beg your pardon. An area of balance, area of balance, right there. So again, if price hits the 50%, or just hits the zone, we expect it to go back up. If it breaks this area of interest, then we expect price to go down a little bit. But what else you can see here as well, there's another layer of resistance here. Another layer of resistance that coincides with the VWAP. So area of resistance slash VWAP. So again, price. So my ideal trade would be for price to hit this, price to retrace back to this area and come down. So what we can see here is that there is a channel forming. So this could be a range trading where price could just range within this zone here until it either breaks down and goes all the way down, or it carries on ranging and then breaks the top of a range, retraces and shoots up. So those are some of the possibilities that I'm looking at. I was listening to someone and he was saying that as a professional trader, there are three kinds of traders. You've got the bulls, the bears, and the pigs. The bulls are always looking to buy. The bears are always looking to sell. But the pigs are always looking to catch the end of a top or the end of a bottom. But he's saying that the ones that are mostly successful are either the bulls or the bears. It's always good to follow the trend, and if that's the case, the overall trend on this particular indices is downwards. So I'll be looking to go. I'll be looking to sell in terms of this particular trade. So I'll be looking for shorts basically. If I can find any shorts, I'll be looking for shorts in this trade. Hopefully, be trading within this range here. However, there could be an opportunity right here as well to go short. But we'll see what the market brings, and we'll take it from there basically. There might be an opportunity to go short just right there, or within this range here. Either here. Right there. Okay. Or if you wait for the 5 minute time frame, go shorts. Boom. Here. But I would ideally keep the stop loss very tight. Keep it very tight to here. But who knows what's gonna happen? But when the market opens, and we'll take it from there. But just to show you as well the progress so far. Last Friday was day 9 of my trading. Unfortunately, I've lost one account, so that's one. And the only reason why this happened was because I was over trading, and I had a larger sizes. I was trading larger sizes. For instance, 5, 3. Normally, I'll trade 1, So that's not worked out in my favor. So this account here, I haven't lost it, but I have some catching up to do. This one here, again, I took too many trades, took 8 trades as compared to one. This one I took 8 trades, which isn't very nice, but I'm still in an upward trajectory. With this one, again, took far too many trades. Well, 4 trades, made $18.80. But then again, going up and up and up. Um, with this one, again, took far too many trades and took 11 trades. Almost lost this as well. As you can see, it's just red, 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 red. But was able to regain it. So that's where I am now. If you're not following this channel, I've set myself a challenge to take to trade for 100 days. For 100 days, but I'm not looking to make profit. I'm not looking to lose either. But the idea is just to maintain the account for 100 days. I've lost a few. I've still got 4 left. Hopefully by the end of this week, I've still got them left. But the challenge is to trade for 100 days. I'm not really looking to make profit. I'm not looking to make losses either. But I'm just looking to follow my set rule of being disciplined, taking less trades, and not FOMOing into trades. That's what I'm looking to do, and that's what I'm looking to achieve. Please follow along, like and subscribe, comments. If there's anything that you think might be of benefit to me, let me know. And if you want to join this challenge as well, yeah, contact me. Feel free to join the challenge, and we can sort of learn together and grow together. Whatever you do, always, be thankful to God for His mercies and grace, because we've all sinned and fallen short of the glory of God. None of us are saints. I particularly am one. I'm a sinner, and may God forgive me my sins. And may God forgive us all of our sins and have mercy upon us, and cause the light of His face to shine upon us, and to bless the works of our hands as we lay our hands to do things like this. Because I understand why people want to do this. At least I understand why I want to do it. The reason I'm doing this is for financial independence. I've recently experienced something that has shaken me to the core. But I'm just looking to sort of achieve financial independence. I believe it's possible, but it's challenging, and sometimes you need a bit of a favor and help from God. And I hope God can help us all in this challenge. But enough said already. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and comment on the videos as well. I'll be doing this videos as often as I can, as many times as possible as I can. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm not a professional trader. I'm just somebody on the internet trying to make sense of this all, and hopefully I'm making sense to you right now, because I'm rambling on. Anyway, that's all from me. See you all later. God bless, and have a great week ahead. God bless and goodbye.